Car video cooking shows entertain passengers, reduce boredom, and provide creative food inspiration during travel. My today's video is about top 5 best car video for cooking shows that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at FAIMEE car video cooking shows, the FAIMEE 3-channel dash cam delivers an impressive all-around driving surveillance solution with its 4K front, 2K interior, and 2K rear recording setup. The ultra-wide lenses effectively reduce blind spots, making it highly useful for accident evidence, insurance claims, and everyday road security. Video quality is a standout feature, especially with the f1.8 aperture, 6-layer glass optics, and WDR technology that ensure clear and balanced footage even at night or in challenging lighting conditions. This is particularly valuable for night drivers, rideshare operators, and long-distance travelers. It also comes well prepared out of the box with a 128GB high-endurance card, plus smart features like loop recording, G-sensor locking, and parking mode for 24/7 protection. The built-in GPS adds another layer of reliability by tracking speed and route history, while dual-band Wi-Fi and app control make accessing and sharing footage quick and easy. Overall, it's a powerful, feature-rich dashcam designed for safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Now our second product is REDTIGER car video cooking shows. The REDTIGER F7NP dashcam offers a strong combination of high-quality recording and smart driving assistance features. With 4K front and 1080p rear recording powered by the STARVIS 2 sensor, it captures sharp, detailed footage in both day and night conditions. The wide-angle lenses and WDR/HDR technology help maintain clear visibility, making it reliable for daily commuting, road trips, and rideshare use. Its night vision performance is especially impressive, thanks to the f1.5 aperture and advanced optics, ensuring balanced lighting and clear evidence even in low light. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast video transfers and easy control through the mobile app, including GPS tracking and playback features. Practical functions like loop recording, a free memory card, G-sensor locking, and 24/7 parking mode add strong security coverage. The supercapacitor design improves durability and heat resistance, making it safer for long-term use. Overall, it's a well-rounded and dependable dashcam for modern drivers. Our third product is ROVE car video cooking shows. The ROVE R2-4K Dual dashcam is a powerful and well-designed solution for complete front and rear vehicle monitoring. It records in 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear, delivering sharp and detailed footage with wide 150 degrees and 140 degrees viewing angles that capture more of the road for added safety. Image quality is excellent, thanks to the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, f1.5/f1.8 apertures, and strong low-light performance. Night recordings are clear and well-balanced, making it highly reliable in poor lighting conditions. The built-in dual-band 5G Wi-Fi is fast and convenient, allowing quick downloads and easy video sharing through the mobile app. GPS tracking adds extra value by recording speed, routes, and location data directly onto videos for stronger evidence, with features like loop recording, G-sensor, voice guidance, and a free 128GB card. It's ready to use out of the box. Overall, it's a premium, feature-packed dashcam built for safety and convenience. Now number 4, REDTIGER car video cooking shows. The REDTIGER F7N TOUCH dashcam is a premium dual-channel system designed for both safety and convenience. It records in 4K front and 1080p rear, using the STARVIS 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses to capture clear, detailed footage of the road. With WDR, HDR, and strong night vision performance, it delivers reliable recording even in low-light conditions. One of its standout features is the smart touchscreen combined with voice control, allowing hands-free operation and quick access to key functions like locking videos or enabling Wi-Fi. This improves driving safety by reducing distractions. Built-in GPS records speed, routes, and location data, while 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast video downloads and easy sharing via the mobile app. Practical features like loop recording, G-sensor emergency lock, and included 128GB storage make it ready for continuous use. With 24-hour parking monitoring, easy installation, and 18-month support, it's a complete, user-friendly dashcam for modern drivers. And our last choice is PAHA car video cooking shows. This 364-channel dashcam is a comprehensive solution for full vehicle coverage, capturing the front, rear, and cabin simultaneously. The multi-camera setup provides strong all-around protection, making it especially useful for rideshare drivers, family vehicles, and security-focused users. Night performance is impressive thanks to the 8 infrared lamps, which improve cabin visibility even in complete darkness. This adds an extra layer of safety and monitoring inside the vehicle. The built-in G-sensor helps automatically lock important footage during sudden impacts, ensuring critical evidence is preserved. With 5G Wi-Fi support, downloading and managing videos is fast and convenient through a smartphone app. The included 64GB card allows immediate use, while loop recording ensures continuous capture without interruption. The 24/7 parking mode adds reliable surveillance when the vehicle is parked, helping protect against theft or incidents. Overall, it's a feature-rich, all-around dashcam designed for maximum coverage and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.